Hey everyone, today we are solving LeetCode problem number 21, merge two sorted list. The problem statement is we are given two sorted linked lists and we need to merge them into one sorted linked list. The merged list should be also be sorted and we should return its head. So let's take an example. Suppose one list 1 is 1 2 4 and the list 2 is 3 1 3 4 and the output should be 1 1 2 3 and 4 4. So to solve this we are going to use two pointer techniques and a dummy node. So we create a dummy node and a tail pointer that will help us build the new merged list. Then we compare the nodes from both lists one by one. If the value in list 1 is smaller, we attach the node to tail and move list 1 forward. Otherwise, we attach the node from list 1 and move list 2 forward. Let's check it. Let's just we'll take a pointer named tail and point it to the dummy node. Now let's apply a while loop. It should have list 1 and list 2. For it, let's apply if else condition. If the value of the first element of list 1 is smaller than or equal to list 2, then the next of the tail would be equal to list 1. Tail next equals to list list 1 list. So the loop will go on. Now let's apply the else condition. It would be opposite of the same. Tails next would point to list 2. Then to continue the loop, list 2 next, next. Now let's continue the tail. So the loop will keep going on. And lastly, we attach the remaining nodes. List 1 is not equal to null pointer. Tail next is equals to 1. Another if it would be the same for list 2. Tail next equals to list 2. Now let's return the dummy dot next. Dummy is here to help us out. It's a helping node. Now let's check it. Yeah, it's correct. So yeah, this is it for question number 21. Merge sorted list.